Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm in a 97 Lexus SC300/400, and if you notice, the wiper stock over here has a button for the washer, and you can see me tapping it, and it is the spring is gone. So if you tap it, the button comes out, but it does not function anymore because the spring is not working. You can see how I have to tap it back out. So in order to fix the button or the spring underneath the button, we have to remove the button or cap here. And there are actually two tabs on the side of the cap. And you can see us putting pins here to try to kind of put pressure on the tabs that are behind here. And you guys will see what the tab or the cap looks like after we pull it out. We gotta try to figure out how to gently pull it out without damaging the tabs. But you know, this washer button getting stuck or broken is kind of common on the older like 90s Lexus cars. It could be the sedan, it could be the coupe. I mean, I'm in an SC300 right now and it just doesn't work, and I'm not sure if it has broken on other vehicles in the Toyota lineup in the 90s. But this is one way to fix it, is to try to pop it out. I mean, you have to be very, very careful. Take some time on trying to, press on the tabs. It's plastic, so there could be a chance of breaking the tab on the little button here. But we're trying our best to find a way to push on the tab. It's a little bit hard to see it, but actually after we have pull out, there are two tabs like on the left and right of the little symbol that you see on that button. And you just keep on pressing on it and see if we can add more pins in here to kind of add a little bit of pressure on the side. Keep on trying to work on this. It's kind of a bad angle, but I think it's coming out. It's getting there. Oop, dropped my phone. Sorry about that. It's a little bit hard to, I was holding the phone and the camera, and the lighting. Oop, and it looks like it did pop out. And you can see the inside of the washer wiper stock. So that's, let's see if we can get some lighting over here. It's a little dark. We're in a garage, so we have some lighting, but I'm trying to find a good angle for you guys to see what it looks like. Let me try to grab it and bring it to the light for you guys to see what the button looks like. So you can see there's two tabs on the side. So there they are. And here's a spring that flew out. So you got to be really careful. The spring did fly out on us, but at least he was able to catch it, and you can see how unique that spring looks like. So it touches the metal part right here in the center, and there's like a ring that's metal too. So that's how the this washer button works. So when you put it back in there, you press on it, and it touches and activates the washer. So the spring's kind of smashed down, but we got to stretch it back out, and that's how we fix it, and then reinstall everything.